Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. It's the battle of the skies between the Ruko F11PRO and the TENSSENX GPS drone. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. Alright, let's start with the price tag. On the left, we've got the Ruko F11PRO coming in hot at $389. And on the right, the TENSSENX GPS drone is a budget-friendly $169. So if you're looking to impress your friends without emptying your wallet, TENSSENX might be your new best friend. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for, right? Next up, the cameras. Both drones boast a 4K Ultra HD camera. But let's dig a little deeper. The Ruko F11PRO offers 4K clarity with a 120 degrees FOV lens and a 90 degrees adjustable camera. Meanwhile, the TENSSENX GPS drone also features a 4K camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and the same 90 degrees adjustability. So it's a tie in the camera department. But let's be real, if you're just filming your dog chasing its tail, either one will do the trick. Now, for the flight time, the Ruko F11PRO promises up to 60 minutes of flight time with its two powerful batteries. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS drone offers 46 minutes with its two modular batteries. So if you're planning a drone marathon, the Ruko is your go-to. But if you're just spying on your neighbors, TENSSENX should suffice. How about ease of use? The Ruko F11PRO is marketed as a great gift for beginners, with features like Follow Me mode, Tap Fly, and hand gesture shots. The TENSSENX GPS drone also caters to newbies with headless mode, one-key takeoff lash landing, and speed adjust. So if you've never flown anything more complicated than a paper airplane, both drones have got your back. But remember, even a monkey can fly these things. Safety first, folks. The Ruko F11PRO comes with GPS auto return home, ensuring it returns to the takeoff location when it loses signal or has low power. The TENSSENX GPS drone has a similar feature, automatically returning home under the same conditions. So if you're prone to losing things, like your car keys, your wallet, or your dignity, either drone will make sure it doesn't join the list. Finally, let's talk portability. The Ruko F11PRO is sturdy with a level 6 wind resistance, making it a reliable flying buddy. The TENSSENX GPS drone is lightweight, foldable, and doesn't require FAA registration. So if you're planning to take your drone on a world tour, the TENSSENX is your carry-on. But if you're battling a hurricane, maybe stick with the Ruko. Based on customer reviews, the Ruko F11PRO is praised for its exceptional build quality, ease of use, and impressive flight capabilities, making it worth the higher price tag. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS drone is noted for its affordability, ease of use, and being a great choice for beginners, though some users have experienced issues with the auto return feature. So there you have it, folks. The Ruko F11PRO and the TENSSENX GPS drone, each with their own strengths and quirks. Whether you're splurging on the Ruko or saving with the TENSSENX, both are ready to take your aerial adventures to new heights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Buy Smart comparisons. Leave a comment below on which drone you think is the winner and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly high and buy smart.